Welcome. If you felt overwhelmed by those people you may know suggestions pinging you via SMS on Facebook, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you a quick step-by-step way to disable those SMS notifications on the Facebook app when you're using a piece. This is based on the latest update and it should take just a few moments. First, open Facebook on your computer and sign in if you're not already. You'll want the main home feed open so you can follow along with the steps smoothly. Once you're in, look to the top right corner for your profile photo. It's small, but it's your gateway to the settings we need. Click on your profile photo. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Among them, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Click that to expand the menu, then choose Settings from the list. This takes you to a central hub where Facebook stores all sorts of preferences and controls for your account. Now, in the Settings area, locate the Notification section. This is where Facebook groups together all the alerts you receive in various forms: email, push, and SMS. Click Notifications to open the detailed options. Scroll through the notification categories until you find the section labeled People You May Know. This is where Facebook suggests new connections, and where some folks may also be sending you SMS updates if you've enabled that channel in the past. Under this category, you'll see the option for SMS. Turn off or disable SMS for people you may know. If you're unsure what you've toggled before, you can double check by looking for a switch or checkbox next to SMS and ensuring it's set to off. Once you've flipped it off, you can close the Settings tab. That's essentially it. By turning off SMS notifications in this specific category, you'll stop those messages while still keeping your normal in-app notifications intact. If you ever want to re-enable SMS alerts in the future, simply follow the same path and toggle SMS back on. A quick tip: if you're managing notifications for multiple devices or platforms, it can help to review a few more categories at once. This keeps you in control of what kind of updates you receive and how you receive them.